How to upscale an image in Photoshop. Let's get into it. To begin with, import your image into Photoshop, then make sure you have the layer selected, come up to Image and then come down to Generative Upscale. This window is going to appear. You can select the model that you want to use. For this example, I'm using Firefly Upscaler. Next, come down to Output and here is where you can choose the amount of scale that you want. Click into this drop down and at the moment you can choose between 2 times or 4 times. You may have more options if you're in Photoshop Beta. I'm currently in the full version here. I'm going to go for 2 times. As we can see over to the right here, this is going to tell us what the new dimensions are. So this current image is 1024 pixels by 1536 pixels. So this is going to transform it to 2048 by 3072. So let's go ahead and choose the upscale button. Photoshop will take a moment to deal with the upscale of this image. Once it's done, you will notice that you have a more zoomed in version of your image there. And if we come down to the left here, we can see that we do have 2048 by 3072. I'm going to press Command 0 on my keyboard to zoom out to the full size of the image. Now, as I am triggering this on and off, we can see that there is slight differences in the quality of the image, in the contrast of the image. And I will pop the 2 images side by side in the tutorial so that you can see the before and after. But that's all there is to it.